Hello, everybody. It's me, Mr. 99 Abrizi. I'm the manager of American English Camp Tamatavi, and today it's gonna be the first episode of American English Camp Tamatavi Wanna Talk. For those of you who don't know about this podcast that we created, here we talk about various topics, including education and also mindset, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We're gonna talk about the American dream. I think that is intriguing for you out there. So without further ado, I will let the teams of American English Camp introduce themselves. So starting from my left side, I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
Thank you for giving me the speech. I am Ryder, one of the teachers at American English Camp. So today I am very excited to be here as doing this live. So as the manager explained that this is our first show with the American English Camp Talk. So I am appreciate this moment.
Yeah, that was Nirina, one of the best teachers of American English Camp Tamatavi. All of the teachers of American English Camp, especially those here in Tamatavi, are great. On my right side, we have here Mr. Francisco. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
Hello everybody, thanks for giving me the floor. My name is Raphael Francisco, and as a manager said that I'm one of the teachers at American English Camp, and I'm from Maranceta, but I've been living here in Tamatavi for more than 7 months now. And actually I appreciate American English Camp for organizing this event that make it possible right now, because it is the first episode of the American English Wanna Talk here in Tamatavi. So it is one of my happiness to be here today. Thank you very much.
I want to be talking more. Today's the first episode, and it's about the American dream. So it's a discussion between the team of American English Camp Tamatavi. I will be asking the first question to teacher Nirina on my left side. What is American dream to you personally?
So personally, as for me, the American dreams has a lot of meanings. But first of all, it means that having the freedom and opportunity to achieve anything that they want through hard work and determination and ambition. So American, as we can see now, they have a very good mindset. They work hard no matter what happens, no matter what they face in their life. They have courage, they have guts to win, to face up with the challenges, and to even bite the bullet for anything they want. So I think that's all about American dreams from me.
Yeah, you mentioned it right when you say the people from the United States of America, they have equal opportunities. Thank you so much for saying that. Let's go to the next question. The next question is, do you believe that the American dream is still achievable? I want to know that because the first time we mentioned about the American dream was during the 90s, which means it's already a long time ago. So what I want to know is, do you think that we still can achieve American dream nowadays?
Alright, so you've asked me like, is the American dreams can be achievable at the moment? I think it depends on how we act, and it depends on how we prepare our future. And American dream basically about before owning their own house and life stability. And I think if Malagasy people work hard, have a determined goal, if they're a rented goal, I think they can achieve this big dream. It's a big dream, and it's a very I think exciting dream. And for me, I have some words for you Malagasy people. No matter what life you have at the moment, you feel determined, as the manager said, to achieving your goal. And if you have guts, as I said before, yes, you can achieve it. But firstly, you need to have the good mindset, the positive mindset, and I think that's all.
Okay, so you said about American dream is still achievable nowadays, depending on how the person acts. And thank you also for motivating the Malagasy people out there that are watching us right now. Because as you said, we need to be determined to achieve great success. Okay, so thank you so much for that. So I will be also asking the same question to teacher Francois. Do you think that the American dream can be achieved in our era, in our time?
For me, American dream can be achieved right now. It's just simply because allow me to give you some requirement of achieving the American dream right now. It's just not only that you say I can achieve the American dream, but also there is a lot of the requirement that you need to know and to do when you really want to achieve the American dream. Here it is. First of all, you really need to will or to be ambitious, to work hard for you to be able to achieve the American dream. And also, you should act a lot, as my colleagues say. You should act a lot. It's not only just to dress like a native, like American people, because that's the life here in Tamatave. A lot of people, they want to imitate the American mindset, but just in terms of dressing, it's not only that, but we need to change our mindset. When we can change our mindset, American dream can be achieved. And when we're working very hard, American dream can be achieved. But when we don't act or we don't think more about how can I do for me to be able to achieve the American dream, I think that it's like impossible for Malagasy people or for everyone to achieve that. So for me personally, that the main requirement for everyone be able to achieve American dream is working hard through hard work. That's it. I think that's all about my idea about achieving the American dream.
You've mentioned about all the prerequisites of achieving the American dream, and I think you said determination also. And even though you're Malagasy, you can achieve great success through American dream. So also it can be called Malagasy dream also. But you've mentioned the requirements. I want to ask that same question to teacher Nerina. As for you, what are also the requirements for achieving the American dream and having great success?
Thank you for asking me that questions. If you ask me like what are the requirements, I would say first of all, if you want to achieve something, firstly you need to like it first, okay? And you need to focus on it, of course, and you need to have that kind of like self-discipline. What is self-discipline? Let me explain it. Self-discipline is the ability to control your emotions, your behaviors, and your behaviors and your desired. So once you control those things, you can achieve anything you want. Once you master those emotions, your emotions, and the things that must be prioritized in your mind is like achieving your goal. So having self-discipline is one piece of the thing that you need to have to achieve it. And secondly, I would say like if you want to achieve something, you need to believe in God. That is the powerful words that I want to say. Believe in God, because we are created by God and we are believers. So we need to act like a believers. When we believe, when we have the sense of belief, of course, we can achieve anything we want, and God can help us realize our dream through meditation, through communication, and I think through in team relationship also. And thank you guys for asking me that question and for everything.
Yeah, so actually we've been talking about the American dream since the beginning of this first episode. When we talk about American dreams, we talk also about English because there's always a mindset behind the language. So here we talk about the American dream, which means we are talking about English. We're gonna get into that next topic, which is the English word. My first question to teacher Francisco: do you think people should learn English? And what is the importance of English in people's life nowadays?
Yes, for me, the people need to learn English. The reason is that what's going on right now is most of the thing is based on English, and when we have to really want to have an American mindset through English, we can get it. We don't have another way to have the American mindset apart from learning English. So I'm here now to convince all people who are watching this video or following. I convince you guys to come to learn English. So now we are the teacher from American English Camp. We invite you all to come here to learn English, because through learning English that you can change your life, because your mindset gonna be changed, of course, because when you learn one language, your mindset must be changed. It depends on which kind of language that you learn. So now we provide American English at American English Camp. As you probably know that we provide a lot of things as the mindset certificate, international certificate. So we are here now to invite you all to come to American English Camp to learn English, because it is one of the biggest opportunity to grasp upon or to get away from the poverty. See, so I think AC or American English Camp is one of the institutions that can provide the right and the mindset of American people. So I think that's all about your question.
You also again said it right, that being able to speak English can change your entire life. I remember myself when you said that. At that time I was a little boy thinking about, American dream. But I knew at that time that something was lacking until I found out English. From the time that I learned English, and when I discovered, the mindset behind English, which is the American mindset, from there, I've always had that belief in me, and I've kept going. And I can say, now God starts to bless me, and I start to see something in my life. I'm not trying to brag, but English can change your entire life. If you guys are there struggling in something, English can be, the catalyst, to change your life and to make it better. So again, the team, which is on my behalf, we are inviting you guys to join American English Camp, Tamatave, and of course all the branches here in Madagascar. We got 3 so far: Chana, Tamatave, and Majanga. So if you guys out there really want to have something in life, English can be the one that can make your life better. Okay. So now I'll be also asking the same question to teacher Marina. Do you think people should learn this language?
Yeah, thanks for that question. As a matter of fact, people should learn this language. Why? Because this is really important at the moment and really inevitable. You guys, if you want to access more information on this earth, on this planet, on this, at the moment, you should learn English, and this is gonna help you for better education, especially here in Madagascar. As we can see now, the educational system is really bad, and if we can speak English, we can help ourselves to find some, some lesson, for example, through YouTube, through social media, technology at the moment, and with English. So I invite you guys to follow American English Camp if you want to be able to speak English naturally like that. And we provide the most the best quality for you. We don't give you a fake promise. As long as you're ready, we can help you. And this English can help and you to achieve anything that you want in life, and this can change your life. Yeah, and also for you guys, if you still feel comfortable in the comfort zone, leave it and get up now. Yeah, because it's time for you to shine. Yeah, and thank you very much for that. That is my words for you, and join American English Camp.
I think you guys really have really powerful, groundbreaking opinion talking about the American dream today, and also English. You mentioned at the beginning that American dream, it's up to the person. You have to do all the, what they say today. You have to be determined, disciplined, also to have belief and to think big. All of those qualities you need in order to achieve great success. Success is for everybody. It's up to your work. You also said lastly about getting out of comfort zone. I really like that because life starts after the comfort zone. It's out of the comfort zone. So you guys are there making excuses. No, it's time to learn English, but the money or the time, your excuses will make you always in that same place. If you want to change something, you need to do something better. So I don't have something much to say, but we are inviting you guys to learn English. If you are looking for the best center for you to be able to, as you said, to access more information, and also as you said about American mindset. If you want to know more about those, join American English Camp Tamatadi. We're gonna teach you mindset, English, all that you need in order to achieve great success. So that's all about the first episode of American English Camp Tamatadi. We wanna talk. Already a lot of episodes coming up. Still, don't forget to follow the page, and also to always check the new things on our page, because there's a lot of things that we do for you out there. Also, the next kickoff is already there. Book your place right now. Now is the time. Get out of the comfort zone. Here, American English Camp Tamatadi with the Gravy King, as we say in Malagasy. Gravy, just come, will change your life. Thank you so much.
So thanks for the question. It is one of the most important questions what we need to discuss about today. So me personally, that American dream is like a belief that everyone in the United States of America has equal opportunity to achieve a success or to the prosperity. When they are willing to working hard. It's just not only just thinking big or having ambition, but also they work hard. That's the way of the Americans when they want to achieve their goal. That's for me the definition of the American dream.
All right, guys. To add what's been said, I want to say, like, you guys, if you want to learn English, to speak independently and clearly, we provide you the best quality at American English Camp. Not only that, but also if you want to sound like us, as we can see now, we speak more naturally but sound like American 100%. You can do the same, but you need to follow our instruction. But above all, you need to come and learn, because we teach you not only English but also mindset and professionalism. That the things that makes American English can stand out from the other center. So you guys, if you come here, yeah, 100% you can speak English like that. And thanks for bearing with me during this first episode of Wanna Talk with American English Camp member. And I wish you the best luck of your life and have a nice day. This is Brighter of American English Camp. See you guys.
Mety manontany tena zao nareo any an-trano hoe malagasy ve zahay. Zato isan'izao malagasy zahay fa le fitiavana ny tena anglisy sy ny reo fianarana zay nataonay dia afaka navita ohatrin'ireny izahay. Ny fomba nahafahanay nahay an'ilay tena anglisy no atolotray ao amin'ny American English Camp. Fotoanan'izao ialanareo amin'ny zone de confort izay voalazanao teo moa. Fotoanan'izao ahaizanareo sy hanovanareo ny fiainanareo. Efa ao ny rentrée manaraka tongava mianatra ao amin'ny American English Camp ampianatra anareo izahay ny American mindset izay ilainareo rehetra mba hahafahanareo manatsara ny fiainanareo. Tadio fa ny fahaizana teny anglisy dia opportunité ray afaka manova tanteraka zato isan'zato ny fiainanao. Ka aza mangataka fotoana intsony aza miandro hoe rehefa misy fotoana vao mianatra efa manome tolotra maro be zay afaka mijery eo amin'ny page ianareo Zay aloha niresadresaka ao amin'ny androany tamin'ny American English Camp Tamatavy Wanna Talk. Mbola maro ireo fizarazarana miaraka amin'ny team samihafa fa azadino manaraka ny page sy manasa namanareo anaraka ny page ihany koa mba hafany mandray soa afa amin'ny zavatra atolotriny American English Camp Tamatavy izay miezaka hatrany manome ny tsara indrindra ho anareo.